So a lot of times girls will send messages that are actually really offensive to guys. And one thing you don't want to do is when a guy sends you a message to send him something back that's offensive. When you send a guy a message that's offensive, like let's say he sent you a message like, "Hey, how are you?" And you say something back to him like, "Oh, that's how original," or something equally offensive, that's immediately gonna trip his alarms. And I mean, think about it for a second. How would you like to be messaging a guy and then you say something really, really basic and innocent, and you're just trying to reach out and make a connection, and then he just says something really rude back to you? I'm sure that's happened to you before, right? So you don't want to do that. If you're online dating and you're looking to meet somebody who's like worth your time, who's you could potentially have a relationship with, make sure you treat that person with respect and dignity and honor that they deserve. And that's my number one tip, what not to do online. It's the golden rule. Do unto others as you would like them to do to you.